Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana. 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Green, Rock, and Waller. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, West North G539 Cal. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 440, effective until midnight Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Green, Iowa, Jefferson, Lafayette, Richland, Rock, Sauk, Vernon, and Waller. And the following: Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. And the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lake, McHenry, Stevenson, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Greene County and South Central Wisconsin, The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm miles per hour. East Central Greene County, 50 miles per hour winds up to quarter-size hail. County in South Central Wisconsin, radar until 6 p.m. Impact by county vehicles. A severe thunderstorm was located and damage to roofs, siding, and trees at 15 miles. Locations and tactics include Janesville, Broadhead, Orchardville, Truxtun, Newark, Magnolia, Hanover, Minor, and Afton. For your protection, move to a considered room on the lowest floor. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and tactics include Janesville, Broadhead, Orchardville, Footville, Newark, Magnolia, Hanover, Minor, and Afton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Boone, DeKalb, Ogle. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Greene County in South Central Wisconsin, Southwestern Rock County in South Central Wisconsin. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Greene County in miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Broadhead, New Glarus, Monticello, Newark, Judah, and Avon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This is NOAA Weather Radio. Includes Monroe, Broadhead, New Glarus, Monticello, Newark, Judah, and Avon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Stevenson, and p.m. At 5:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Monticello to 6 miles south of Orfordale, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard to 60 miles per hour with gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Beloit, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Boston, radar indicated. Harrison, Impact, expect damage to roofs, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 0 and 14. This includes Rock State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Ribbon Baseball, and Rockford Speedway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These are potentially deadly storms. Take shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Abandon vehicles in search of a more substantial permanent structure. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Abandon vehicles in search of a more substantial permanent structure. Stay away from windows.
In search of a more
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
In our listening area, the station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Mobile, Kane, and Lee counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 7 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sharon to near Harvard, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McHenry, Woodstock, Harvard, Wonder Lake, Hebron, Bull Valley, Kemming, and Greenwood. This includes McHenry County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI 41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is... The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 7 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sharon to near Harvard, moving east at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McHenry, Woodstock, Harvard, Wonder Lake, Hebron, Bull Valley, Kemming, and Greenwood. This includes McHenry County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is information on a heat advisory. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for central McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Woodstock, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Woodstock, Wonder Lake, Bull Valley, and Lakewood. This includes McHenry County Fairgrounds.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following is a summary of what... The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Wisconsin has issued a flash flood warning for... Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Forecast to occur in our listening area. Will broadcast severe weather alarm callers for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Humboldt, Kane, and Lake counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Surrounding communities setting in a flood watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Wednesday for the following counties: EAS, Illinois, Boone, Kane, and Winnebago. Severe thunderstorm warnings number 420 has been issued until midnight Wednesday for the following counties: Illinois, Boone, DeKalb, Kane, and Lake, and Winnebago. Mile markers 25-30 winds in effect until this includes Boone County Fairgrounds and McHenry County College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service rainfall is occurring with this storm and ready to flash flooding. Western McHenry County, your vehicle through flooded roadways. County
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, central Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Poplar Grove, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crystal Lake, Lake in the Hills, Belvedere, Woodstock, Hunley, Marengo, Poplar Grove, Hampshire, Candlewick Lake, Lakewood, Capron, Timberlane, Union, Garden Prairie and Ridgefield. Including the following interstate, I-90 between mile markers 23 and 41. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds and McHenry County College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Here is my warning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Including the following interstates, Interstate 90 between mile markers 40 and 66. This includes Southern Community College and McHenry County College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding.
Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crystal Lake, Indiana Hills, Belvedere, Woodstock, Hunley, Marengo, Poplar Grove, Hampshire, Candlewick Lake, Lakewood, Chicago, Timberlane, Union, Garden Prairie, and Ridgefield. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds and Missouri County College. Strong outflow winds are also occurring Interstate 90 between mile markers 23 and 41. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Locations impacted include Elgin, Margaret, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana the Hills, Hunley, Sycamore, Canton Hills, Genoa, South Elgin, Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, Fox River Grove, Colton, and Barrington Hills. Including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 40 and 56. This includes Elgin Community College and McHenry County College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Thunderstorm into the area.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Delaware, Cobb County in north-central Illinois, northern King County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms winds were located along a line extending from near Woodstock to near Herbert, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Strong outflow winds are also occurring well ahead of the thunderstorms. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, Lake in the Hills, Hunley, Sycamore, Canton Hills, Genoa, South Elgin, Cary, Green Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, Fox River Grove, Cortland, and Barrington Hills, including the following interstate I-90 between mile markers 40 and 56. This includes Elgin Community College and McHenry County College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 11:15 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain from the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The extreme rainfall rate is 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Milwaukee, Sussex, St. Francis, Hales Corners, Monaco, and Elm Road. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Milwaukee, Sussex, St. Francis, Hales Corners, Monaco, and Elm Grove. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Pressure was 29.86 inches and rising. At Kenosha, light rain was falling.
Safety alert! Safety alert!
In the waste management family, just search.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 11:15 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas. as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, Wautosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Pewaukee, Sussex, St. Francis, Hales Corners, Wanagola, and Elm Grove. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Jags and the Lions. What needs to get better?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Dane County in northeastern Illinois, western DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 9 p.m.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Maple Park to Camden Hills to Elgin, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Schaumburg, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Bartlett, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, St. Charles, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, west of Chicago, Lativia, Geneva, Camden Hills, and Roselle. This includes Schaumburg, Rollers Baseball, Aurora University, Madison University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Fabulous, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, Walton Community College, Wheaton College, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, Walton Community College, Wheaton College, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The surrounding communities. A flood watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, western Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 9:30. Severe thunderstorm warning for the National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, western Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. Expect damage beneath 39 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Gilbert or near Gilbert, north and southwest at 25 miles per hour. Hills Hazard, 40 miles per hour with Council Hill, Nora, Source, radar indicator, Kent, Wanago, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Willow, locations impacted in Stockton, Lena, Stockton, for your protection to an interior room on the lowest floors of 3 buildings. Council Hill is cloudy ground welding is occurring with this storm. Kent, Wanago, Indicated, Lake Lock, State Park, leading killers. River Canyon State Park, Stockton Airport. Your thunder. For your protection to be struck by a hurricane on the lowest floor of the rainfall is occurring with this storm. And maybe the flood is occurring with this storm. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close to lightning.
KZD50
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Quad Cities has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 9:04 p.m. Doppler radar indicated storms producing heavy rain.
of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and other passes, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Freeport, Lena, Staunton, Elizabeth, Cedarville, Davis, Woodbine, Dakota, Scales Mound, Apple River, Winslow, Rock City, Nora, Shyville, Buena Vista, Rock Grove, Oneco, Guilford, and Oranjeville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in
killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close to the North Weather Radio. KZD 57. Rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
And be prepared to take action. The thunderstorm watch number 440 remains in effect until midnight Wednesday and now includes the following counties in Illinois: Grundy and North Al. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 440.